Well, next tonight, take a look around the room that you're in at the moment. The everyday objects that can be made out of metal, perhaps the fire, the legs on the table, the kitchen sink. They all seem straightforward enough, but how would you feel if you knew they'd started life in a nuclear power plant?
Today, the UK's first factory that recycles metal from nuclear power plants was officially opened in West Cumbria. It's created 30 jobs, and bosses say it's a much greener option than simply dumping the contaminated metal into the ground. But not everybody's happy, as Stuart Pollitt reports.
They need more than a few green boxes and the odd trip to the local tip to recycle the waste which will arrive here. Studsvik's new £6 million plant at Lily Hall near Workington will process steel and other metals. 500,000 tonnes from nuclear power stations like Sellafield is waiting to be recycled. This is how the radioactive metal looks when it arrives here. It's then blasted clean and decontaminated in here before coming out, looking like that.
If it's free from radioactivity, the metal will be exported and sold onto the industrial metals market in the UK.
The company insists it's safe, green and a boost for West Cumbria.
It's the first facility of its kind in the UK. It's obviously very important from the perspective of cleaning up the legacy that's been from the nuclear industry the last 50 years in the UK. It's obviously brought some very much needed jobs locally with the closure of Alcan and Chorus. We've been able to employ a number of the ex-metal workers there, obviously with some retraining from our company to bring them into this sector.
But not everyone has welcomed the arrival of more nuclear waste in the county.
I think it's a bad move and an extra burden for West Cumbria and an extra burden for all of us in Lakeland, really, because as we say, the stuff has got to travel through.
This is the first new nuclear licensed site in the UK for 20 years, and waste should start arriving by the summer. Stuart Pollitt in Workington.